Okay, today we have the Kodak Retina Ektar that I have right here. It comes with this casing, which I will set aside. I just put there lah. Alright, so let me open that thing. Okay, so this is the front. This is the back, the top, the bottom, the side, the other side, and yeah. So bulk mode, it works. I will show you later through the lens how it looks like. Why I show you this is because how to say that you need a film inside the camera in order to fire. So you cock it, change the speed. The indicator is here, so let's see, like can I do 500? Anyways, let's do 250, and yeah, so it fires. Okay, so I will withdraw the film and then show you the glass. So this is to rewind the film. Okay, open it up, remove the film. I think to get 500 shutter, we need to put it at 500 first before we wind it up. Yeah. So I think always have a good practice of setting the speed first before we cock the shutter. So if we don't have film inside, to trigger it, we just need to press this thing and it will fire. Yep. So show you. Put my hand there first. Yeah, so 500 works. Let's do 250. Okay. Let's do 100. Okay. Let's do 50. Yep. Let's do 25. Cock it. Let's do 10. Okay. Let's do 5. Okay. Let's do 2. Like half actually. Okay. Surprisingly, the shutter is not lazy. 1 second. Let's see. Oh, even 1 second works. That's great. Okay, let's do bulk mode. Yeah. Alright. So, yeah, the camera works. So, to close it back, we need to press these two sides, and then it will close. Okay, thanks everyone. See you.